What's up guys, Dan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your score to the 7 or 800s instantly with this one simple trick that could save you tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in loans over your lifetime. Okay guys, now despite the big promise that I just made, this trick or hack or whatever you want to call it is it actually works, and it is remarkably simple and easy to do. If you want me to tell you what this is, I need you to go ahead and hit that like button until it turns blue so that I can get the motivation to tell you what the secret is. Alright, cool. Now that you've hit it, let me go into what you need to do. Super fast, super simple, super easy. So the secret to boosting your score to the 7s, 800s, basically golden credit, even if you have none, is as simple as becoming what's called an authorized user. What is an authorized user, you ask? Well, an authorized user is basically you get on with somebody else that has a credit card and, immaculate credit in the 7, 800s, basically a perfect score. And what they do is they can add you to their, like one of their credit cards, for example, as what's called an authorized user. So they can put your name on their card, and then you basically will then have all of their credit history. And I know it seems crazy, but you can actually do this, and it does work. So all it has to do, it could be your family member, your mom, your dad, your brother. They don't even have to be related to you. They can be literally anybody. And I've heard of real estate agents adding their clients as authorized users to their cards in order to get them to qualify for loans. Like crazy stuff like that, right? Like it doesn't have to be, anybody you know. But ideally it is, somebody that you can trust, somebody that trusts you, and that will be easy to convince to do this. And guys, you don't even need to spend any money with the card they give you. You can just, they can put you on the account. You don't even have a card, and but you still get all the credit score and credit history and benefits. Like for example, I know a guy, that is like, 18, 20 years old, super young, and he has like, 20, 30 years of credit history at 20 years old, right? Because he was added, his parents added him as authorized users on their card, right? So it's like, you can have immaculate long credit, and the loan companies, like if you want to get a mortgage or a credit card or something like that, they will use that history to actually, as to qualify you for the loan, which is, if as a logical thinking person is absolutely insane, but it works nonetheless, and that's how the system works as it stands right now. So guys, with that information, you can use that to your advantage to like get a much cheaper interest rate on, say, a mortgage or car payment or any type of loan, in real estate or something like that. It's very handy if you want to get a loan, because that can make, the difference of hundreds or even thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars over the life of loan, even 1/8% or 1/4%, and that's the difference between like, a 720 score and like a 760 score. Like that's probably, an 1/8 or 1/4 point difference right there just with those two scores. And even though, 700s is like, great, good credit, in the high 700s is where, about 740, 760 is kind of where you top out in terms of the advantages of that, in terms of your rate. But that can save you, tens of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan if you get it right. So guys, to do this, again, it's as simple as just, for example, go to your parents, if your parents have really good credit, or your mom or your dad, and be like, hey, can I get on your card as an authorized user? You don't even need to, give me the card. You literally can just, put me on the account and put the card in a drawer or cut it up, and I'll never use it, and there'll be no risk to your credit, and I will get all that credit history onto me, and then I'll qualify for the loan, and then you can take me off. That's all you got to do, and then you can start building your own credit with the new loans that you're going to be acquiring through this process. Like say you get a mortgage on your first property or something like that. So don't make the mistakes I did. I just went the tough route, and I still have very young credit. I went and got a secured card, then got another card after that, and then got another card after that, and then got a mortgage, and now I have a second mortgage, and I'm just I have multiple accounts building it from scratch, right? So if I would have done it right the first time, I would have just gone to my parents and been like, hey parents, can you add me as an authorized user on your card? Boom, instantly 800 credit, and then I wouldn't have had to struggle bus all the way through just leapfrogging between different credit accounts, secure card, things like that. Don't make the mistakes I did. Guys, if that gave you a lot of value, go ahead and hit the like button down below and subscribe for more content. If you like this video, I really appreciate it. Go ahead and drop a comment if you have any suggestions for me or anything like that. And hope that brought you some value. And with that, I will see you guys in the next chapter.